Bankruptcy in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney and I've been representing people who have had to file for personal bankruptcy protection here in Massachusetts for 40 years. And it's a great law. It's not that complicated of a process, but you really need to have someone help you through the process, especially if you've got some sort of special circumstances. Today I've been asked to talk about pre-bankruptcy planning, and that could involve anything with respect to your circumstances. But the bottom line is, if you have a certain amount of money or money coming into you or money expected from an estate or something, we can plan around that. You cannot lie on a federal petition, and you can't think that you just won't say something and they won't find it out, because either you're lying and they will find it out, or they'll eventually find it out. You just can't do it, but you can plan. Most of these things can be planned. For example, if you have a chunk of money, you might be able to put it into a retirement account. That can be a planning that would work depending upon all the circumstances. Same thing with respect to a home that you have a homestead on. You file a homestead, you can put money into your home. There are other circumstances, too numerous, of course, to discuss here, but planning is really important. And effectively moving through the petition is important. For example, if your parents put you on your name on a deed, you can plan around that by deeding it back to them and waiting a certain period of time and doing things that way. It doesn't mean selling things illegally. It doesn't mean doing something underhandedly. It's planning. It's knowing what the law is and planning, using that law to get what you need. But bankruptcy, it's serious, but it's really an effective and important law. You get a fresh start. Fresh start is amazing. Fresh start is absolutely amazing. And I've seen this again for 40 years. People are so relieved, so happy, overjoyed that they got this fresh start, because they really got themselves in a mix. They could have had a medical situation, they could have had a employment situation, a family situation that got them in a mess, and they needed a fresh start. And I've been helping people, again, for many, many, many years, get this fresh start that you're entitled to. The law says you're entitled to. So if you have a bankruptcy question, and especially if you need to do some planning, to some pre-bankruptcy planning, give us a call. We can help you. We're effective, we're aggressive when it comes to getting things done, and we care about you. We care about helping our clients. It's a free initial consultation. Call Burns and Jan, 617-227-7423. Thank you.